guys, and today it's a little bit different from what I do usually. I'm going to do an unboxing because I've kind of treated myself to a decent helmet. I'm a fan of this helmet brand ever since they came out back in the mid 2000s. Back then I also did a lot of motorcycling, so I used two types of off-road helmets and on-road helmets. And my helmet of choice back then was the Scorpion EXO 1000. Had the little pump here that you could pump up the cheek pads and stuff. But I had the occasion through a buddy of mine that works at Importation Thibault, which is the distributor for the Scorpion brand now, to get my hands on a hybrid type of helmet that you can use both for motorcycling and off-roading, and it's got a shield. I'm starting to really hate wearing goggles. I don't know why. First of all, I have glasses, and I'm getting older, and my glasses are specialized and all this stuff. So I got bifocals. White whiskers equals bifocals. So if I have to wear the helmet without my glasses, it's always a hassle that I can't read stuff from far. After 4 or 5 hours, I start getting a headache, and it's annoying. So I want to be able to wear my glasses and have a comfortable helmet. I'm a large guy. I'm almost 6'3". I'm 220 something pounds. Lost some weight. But I'm a big guy and big head. Usually I always wear double XLs. So double XL has issues most of the time because of the shape of my head and stuff like that. So that fitment will vary from your head type. So if you got the big large head, oval type like me, like you have a choice in road bike helmets, let's say an Arai or a Shoei, either one, or most other shell sizes will fit one type of head. Now I've had great luck with the EXO 1000, and this one is I'm trying to remember the name, is a 950. So Scorpion EXO AT-950, the outrigger paint scheme. I haven't seen it up close. They're kind of rare in Canada, but they're distributed, like I said, by Importation Thibault, which most dealers have an account with them out east, out west. So, oh yeah. So this is the outrigger. And it's a hybrid and it's modular. Already looking at it, the plushness of the inside brings me back to those memories of how I loved the inside of this. Check this out. And you got the tinted shield inside. The inside is what I'm bothered most with, because most of the time you have issues with a helmet that's from the inside. The outside, lots of good looking helmets out there, but this is nice, and the feeling of the graphic, it's matte. Usually I'm pretty much a black helmet guy. I don't like colors that much. But I don't know why, when I looked at this one in the catalog, it just looked great. It's DOT approved and FMVSS certified for the European standard. So what we got up here, we got a chin vent that you can adjust. Ventilation has to be good on these. And you have also a top here that you can open up. Ventilation is average. to be honest. I'd like to see a little bit more ventilation. The coolest thing about this helmet is that you can actually convert this to a winter helmet, which here in Canada, if you ride in winter, you need this. So you can use this helmet in winter with your sled or your ATV or UTV. I ride my ATVs and UTVs all year long, and I do a little bit of sledding. I'll do all around, all 4 seasons. On the weight, it's not that bad. I've seen worse. I've seen a lot worse. So that's the lightest of the gang, but this is really, really nice. I'd like to thank Eric at Importation Thibault to have sent this over to me. And I forgot one thing. This, you can use these to remove this. You can remove the top sun visor here and use it as a street helmet. So if you're using it for motorcycling with anything else than a dual sport, you want to take this off because this will get in the way at speed over 120. It'll fly off your head. Don't ask why I know. I've had helmets like this type in the past, and I've had issues. What I'm going to find out is when I get this thing dirty. I drive these things in mud and all kinds of stuff. I abuse helmets. I got to be honest. I'm really hard on helmets. My last Scorpion I had is the one that looks like a Special Forces helmet. Here's a picture. But I've been really hard on that helmet. Had it for 2 seasons. It hasn't skipped much of a beat. The finish is, there's lots of scratches on it. The only thing is the gasket around the visor here that kind of came undone, so I have to glue it back in there just with 3M trim glue. But this thing, for the price, the quality, the way it's built, I like it a lot. But I will get back to you with a full article on how it holds up after this season, and I'll be using it this winter. See how it handles. And if it's as good as what it used to be when I used to own Scorpion road helmets. But all in all, I like the finish. I like the inside, the comfort. I have to put it on my head, but the way everything is built inside, like it a lot actually. A comfortable helmet is extremely important. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna enjoy this helmet a lot. And the sizing chart, the measurements on, because I measured, I didn't try it. Because usually you try these in the dealer, but I didn't get to try it, so I measured from the measurement chart on the Scorpion website, and measures up real good. I hate clear visors. I hate clear visors a lot. But I think I got something here. Hold on. I got this. Smoke visor. It just ups the cool factor. Oh, and one thing. Scorpion helmets all have anti-fog technology in them. So this helmet should not fog up once it gets cold outside. One very good thing. But it's perfect fit for my head. And remember one thing. A helmet, when you buy it the first time and you put it on your head, it's got to be snug. If it's not snug, the material will pack a little bit and then it gets loose. And a loose helmet is very dangerous in case of you get an impact or a side impact. It can actually turn on top of your head. So just be careful what you buy and how you size it. How you size a helmet. A helmet has to not move from side to side on your head, and you have to have contact, an even contact. Around here, it's gotta be. You gotta feel it everywhere. If you don't, this helmet will pack the material will kind of settle, and it's going to be loose. First of all, what it does, it's not comfortable. The material doesn't breathe right, and it's dangerous. It can move in case of impact. And I've seen damages. I've seen people crash. I've seen a lot of stuff over the years, and it's just not worth it. Just make sure a helmet fits properly. So let's change this visor. I gotta get some tools. I'm not allowed to do this usually, but if the wifey's gone, have at it. Using a butter knife, and I'm supposed to be the professional. Now, switching the visors is pretty darn easy with these things. It's important you take your time. If it's done properly, it'll last. If it's not, it won't. Butter knife. You guys get $50,000 worth of tools in his garage, and he uses a butter knife. Dumbass. Perfect. This clothes is nice though. But you gotta say, doesn't this look better? So this is Marc from the ATV guys, and this is my new helmet, the AT-950 Outrigger paint scheme from Scorpion Helmets. So I'm gonna be wearing this. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is ATV Guys, or follow us on Facebook at ATV Guys Magazine. We also have a Facebook group which is called Canadian ATV UTV Nation. We're a little bit over 10,000 over there. And thank you for watching. I'm going riding.